What is IP? What is subnetting? The process of splitting one large network into smaller networks. Subnetting allows us to break a large network into a bunch of smaller networks. Why do we do this? It reduces network traffic, improves performance, makes troubleshooting easier, improves security, works better across long distance. What is an IP address? Identifies a device on a network. An IP address is the numeric identifier assigned to each machine on the IP network. IPv4 address basics. 32 bits total, written in decimal dot format, split into 4 octets. Example, 172.123.130.115. And it has two parts, a network portion and a host portion. What is a subnet mask? A subnet mask separates networks and host ID. A subnet mask is a 32-bit value that allows the recipient of an IP package to distinguish the network ID portion from the host ID portion. Common default subnet masks. Class A could be 255.0.0.0. Class C could be 255.255.255.0. Why is binary important? Subnetting requires understanding binary numbers. The location of the ones and zeros is extremely important. Each octet has 8 bits, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. Examples of this could be 172 equals 128 plus 130 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4. And binary equals 10101100. Helps determine subnet values, host range, and broadcast addresses. Network classes A, B, and C. The internet originally uses classes to divide networks by size. The designer of the internet decided to create classes of network based on network size. Class A, large networks, 2.2 can be written as 255.0.0.0, and the range is 10.0.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. Class B, medium networks, can be written as 255.255.0.0, and the range is 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255 to 2.255. Class C, small network only, written 255.255.255.0. The range is 192.186.00 to 192.168.255.255. Private IP addresses. Private IP addresses are used inside organizations. The article explains it as private addressing is preferred because it provides secure access rather than open and public access. Some important notes are private IPs cannot be routed on the public internet, and they are used in businesses, schools, and home networks due to that. CIDR, classless interdomain routing. Instead of saying 255.255.255.0, we say /24. The slash notation means how many bits out of 32 are turned on. CIDR makes subnetting more flexible and efficient. Steps to subnetting a network example. Network 192.168.10.0, the subnet mask 255.255.255.192, stolen bits 2, number of subnets 2 squared is 4, host per subnet is 2 to the 6 minus 2 equals 62. network 192.168.10.0, first host 119.168.10.1, last host 192.168.10.62, broadcast 192.168.10.63. Why subnetting matters. IP subnetting is an important skill to acquire because it offers many benefits in any networked environment. Subnetting helps use IP addresses efficiently, improves security, reduces congestion, scale networks properly, and troubleshoot more easily. ANDing. ANDing uses Boolean math. It is used by hosts and routers. It helps determine the network ID and the host ID. ANDing is performed between the IP address and the subnet mask. In the end, subnetting is about breaking large networks into smaller pieces, using binary math to calculate subnets, understanding subnet masks and CIDR, managing IP address space efficiently. If you understand binary, subnet mask, CIDR, and ANDing, you can confidently subnet classes A, B, and C networks.